Okuhika finals St Kagwa etiire ishomero rya Mbarara Ame kandi ry'ishomero rya Kichwamba ritiire Ibanda Secondary School. Aha finals St Kagwa etiire Kichwamba goal 1-0 kutwara ekikopo eki. Obira ry'omugyenyi mukuru aha finals ezi asiimira abatebeekanisa hamwe na tiimu ezizaanire ahabw'omutindo omurungi.
I'm glad to note that this one has improved so much in your area. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. But there are very many other things where you are doing very well. For example, you are very smart. I think you are the smartest security team in the whole country. You, of course, have the highest numbers. You have everything. And then I want to thank you. In Uganda, we have been suffering with the management of sports.
Abasingire aba St Kagwa ku rugo mu Bushenyi burekera kushemererwa ahabw'obuhanguzi obu.
Ngenda kusiima ababo, ngenda kusiima abazaani bitu na staff, the OB, na all we will abokukagira abokuzaana biro bukati.
Tambwire je ndo teganisamu from day one aito atandikiye group stages president kolaje munonga mpaka at this level aitwikira knockouts twakolaje munonga wade tubendifuna musa penalty moment twakolaje munonga up to the final.
Amashomerana ya St Kagwa, Kichwamba, Mbarara Ame hamwe na Ibanda Secondary School zirabiremu kujwekera ankore rurengo rw'ihanga ryona. Amakuru aga gashakwa Ruth Nisima omuri Ibanda.